Michael Cardamone here once again at Northeast Factory Direct. The owner, Alex Nemeth, is joining us. Alex, everyone knows that you have the furniture, the hot tubs, but your kitchen cabinets, they're second to none, and that's why we're standing in this beautiful example right here. Tell us about the quality.
First, let me give you an example of what you might find at one of the big box stores.
Okay.
So this would be like an entry-level builder's grade cabinet where it's typically particle board sides, stapled, really cheap glides. That would be your entry-level cabinet. Once you get into high-end cabinets or our standard cabinets, you have full extension drawer glides, dovetailed, full overlaid doors. They have the cushion closed drawers as well as the doors. All the premium features come standard on our cabinets.
Now, standing in this beautiful kitchen, can you give me a comparison of what you would pay somewhere compared to what you'd be paying here?
Yeah, it's crazy. It's outrageous what some of these design centers are charging for cabinets. You can get a 10 by 10 solid wood kitchen from us starting at $18.99. That would cost you $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 at some of the fancy places.
And what I love about your service is that when you come in, they'll do the CAD drawings for you. You even have a virtual kitchen that they can, I mean, they're gonna know what their kitchen looks like after they come here.
So that's the best thing that we have is we may not have the fanciest showroom, but we invest in our people. Our designers are second to none. They'll bring in your dimensions, they will sit down with you in a screen and really interact with you to figure out what works best for you. And we'll even come out to the house and measure at no charge.
And that's free. You don't get that at the other places. Go to the 3 locations, east side, west side, or south side, or visit their website, northeastfactorydirect.com.